Top 5 Incredibly Dangerous Parasites. Among so many nasty things that our nature has provided our planet, some of them are referred to as parasites. This article is aimed at throwing light on the strange and bizarre world that parasites inhabit. They can rewrite DNA, manipulate the brain and turn their living host into a living dead. However, our biologist considers these diverse and complex organisms as most highly evolved life forms on Earth, and for rest of the world they are pariahs of science. Here is the list of 10 incredibly dangerous parasites that range from head-popping fungi to mind-controlling wasps. Number 5. The eye-inflating flatworm. List of incredibly dangerous parasites starts with Leucoschloridium paradocum. These flatworms' eggs, when eaten accidentally by a snail, the parasite develops in the gastropod's body and fills the eye stalks with a sac of larvae. The snail's stalk appears wriggle, resembling little caterpillars. The birds get attracted thinking it's a caterpillar, and that's the next stage of the parasite to move on to its next life cycle. The infected snail heads out to the open. Even if it manages to survive one assassination attempt, the parasite-filled stalk will grow back and will make it prone to further such attacks. Number 4. The zombie wasp. Ampulex compressa. This wasp preys on cockroaches and turn them into zombies that start feeding on their young. The female wasp stings straight into the brain of the roaches, disabling them from escape reflex. The female wasp then leads the roach back to her underground nest, lays her egg on its belly and seals it in. The larvae hatches and burrows themselves into the body of the roach, where they devours the insect from inside and form a cocoon. Later they emerge out from the insect body as a new adult. Number 3. The tongue-eating sea louse. Cymothoa exigua. This is one unique parasite that not only eats its host body parts but also replaces entirely everything that it has eaten. This sea louse makes it house inside the fish mouth and feeds on the blood from the tongue till the organ withers away. The parasite very cleverly attaches itself to the remaining stump and continues to feed on blood and mucus in the mouth. It may seem as a consolation that the fish can use the louse exactly as its own tongue. Number 2. The eyeworm. LOA. The larva of this nematode infects the human eyes when flies bite. The adult is known to travel through the body's tissue for years. They are most common in West and Central Africa. The common symptom includes itching, swelling. For very unlucky victims they even damage brain. The worm becomes apparent only when they reach eye. There they can easily be seen, and to the horror of the victim, it is even felt as it squirms across the soft tissue just beneath the cornea. This is also the time when worm can easily be removed using local anesthetic. Number 1. The dragon worm. At the sixth of the all incredibly dangerous parasites, is commonly known as the guinea worm, or dracunculus, which means little dragon in Latin. A person gets infected while drinking water contaminated with tiny water fleas that are already infected with the larva. Once it makes its way into the body, the spaghetti-like female worm grows up to 1 meter long and emerges through the skin, usually from legs or feet, resulting in immense pain. The pain lasts for weeks and there are no vaccine to prevent from this disease. The only way known to get this worm out of the body is to gradually wrap the worm around a stick as it comes out. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.